Shuffling a tarot deck goes beyond just mixing cards. It taps into intuition and a meditative state for a more accurate reading. There are various methods to shuffle tarot cards, and no single way is the best. One method is to hold the deck in your less dominant hand and take out sections from the full deck, replacing them elsewhere, either on top or in the middle of the deck. Do this 5 to 7 times to completely shuffle your tarot deck and ready it for a new reading. You can also shuffle by scrambling all the cards in front of you and thoroughly mixing them up before returning them to a neat pile. To shuffle by cutting the deck, separate your cards into 3 piles, making note of which pile came from the top, which was the middle, and which group of cards was on the bottom. Rearrange the piles in a new order to shuffle your tarot cards, flipping a pile upside down before doing so if you wish to incorporate reversals into your reading for added insight. If you need to refresh the energy of your cards, try recharging the tarot deck by blowing on it, fanning out the deck, and ringing a bell over it. Or meditating with the cards in your hand to help cleanse them of any negative energy before shuffling. Remember, there are no wrong ways to shuffle. Find a method that resonates with you and enjoy the process.